Morning class, this is Will Kemp from Will Kemp Art School. This is just a brief introduction to my online drawing school, showing you the different subjects that I cover each week and how it can be a really excellent starter if you want to learn to draw but never thought you could. So the first week we looked at the importance of line and how every line has a shared edge. This is so important so that you can draw what isn't there to create the illusion of what is there. And how essentially when you're drawing, you're just imagining that invisible plane in front of you when you're working. Then working on a tone ground, we overcame some of the problems of feeling that you can't go dark enough in your drawing to create that real sense of depth and tone. Then we looked at negative space and how it's quite amazing just looking at the negative space and drawing that, a positive form will come out of it. And also how important negative space can be to create a balanced composition and lead the viewer's eye throughout your picture. We then moved on to how to measure objects, how to use your arm and look at angles and differences in sizes and ratios between the subject that you're drawing so you get a drawing that is in proportion. Then working very softly to create form in your drawing, and a classical approach using the cast drawing, using constructs and straight lines to get the basic of a drawing in once you've got that initial shape worked out. The final week of this drawing course, we start to develop your own style, draw more from life, and really get you proud of the drawings that you're creating.